Have you ever wondered what secrets are hidden in the vast Nevada desert? This seemingly endless expanse of arid land, with its rolling dunes and rugged terrain, has long been a place of mystery and intrigue. The desert's beauty is stark and haunting, a perfect backdrop for tales of the unknown. What lies within the heavily guarded borders of Area 51? This top-secret military base has been the subject of countless conspiracy theories and speculations. From alleged UFO sightings to whispers of advanced technology, Area 51 has captured the imagination of many. The high-security fences and warning signs only add to its enigmatic allure. I, like many before me, felt the pull of the unknown. Standing at the edge of the desert, I couldn't help but wonder about the secrets it held. The vastness of the landscape seemed to echo the vastness of the mysteries waiting to be uncovered. My curiosity was piqued, and I knew I had to delve deeper. The mysteries of this place drew me in. As night fell, the desert transformed into a canvas of stars, each one a beacon of possibility. The silence of the night was profound, broken only by the whispers of the wind. It was in this serene yet eerie setting that I felt a connection to something greater, something beyond our understanding. I was determined to uncover the truth about Area 51 and its connection to the unexplained phenomena often associated with it. Armed with maps, documents, and a flashlight, I began my quest. Each step into the desert was a step closer to the unknown. The more I researched, the more questions arose. What was the government hiding? Were the stories of extraterrestrial encounters true? My journey began with a simple question. What if the truth is out there, hidden in plain sight? As I gazed up at the night sky, watching the stars move in their celestial dance, I couldn't shake the feeling that the answers were within reach. The desert, with its timeless beauty and hidden secrets, seemed to hold the key. Little did I know I was about to find out. My journey into the heart of the Nevada desert was just beginning, and the revelations that awaited me would change everything I thought I knew about this mysterious place. The desert beckoned, and I was ready to answer its call. The drive to Area 51 is an experience in itself. As you embark on this journey, you are immediately struck by the vastness of the desert. The road seems to stretch endlessly, a ribbon of asphalt cutting through the barren landscape. It's a place where time feels suspended, and the usual hustle and bustle of life fades into the background. Miles of desolate highway stretch before you, each mile marker a testament to the isolation of this place. The horizon seems to blur into the sky, creating a surreal, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The emptiness is both daunting and mesmerizing, a stark contrast to the crowded cities most of us are used to. The sun beating down on the cracked asphalt creates shimmering heat waves that dance before your eyes. It's a relentless force, reminding you of the harsh conditions that define this region. The heat is palpable, almost tangible, as it radiates from the ground and envelops everything in its path. The landscape is harsh and unforgiving, a stark reminder of the secrets this land holds. Jagged rocks and sparse vegetation dot the terrain, each element telling a story of survival in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. It's a place that demands respect and awe, a testament to the raw power of nature. The closer you get, the more the feeling of isolation intensifies. The road narrows, and signs of civilization become increasingly rare. It's as if you're entering another world, one shrouded in mystery and speculation. The air feels charged with anticipation, each mile bringing you closer to the unknown. The silence is broken only by the occasional gust of wind, whipping across the desert like a whispered warning. It's a haunting sound, one that seems to carry the weight of countless untold stories. The wind stirs the dust and sand, creating fleeting patterns that vanish as quickly as they appear, much like the elusive secrets of Area 51 itself. Area 51 is shrouded in an air of secrecy. Even approaching its perimeter feels like stepping into forbidden territory. Barbed wire fences stretch as far as the eye can see, a constant reminder that this is a place of restricted access. Cameras perch atop tall poles, their lenses watching every move. It's impossible to shake the feeling of being watched, of unseen eyes tracking your every step. Section 4. Whispers in the wind. Despite the tight security, an eerie silence hangs over the area. The wind whispers through the desert scrub, carrying with it fragments of stories and rumors. Tales of strange lights in the sky, of unidentified flying objects, and of government conspiracies. It's hard to separate fact from fiction in a place like this, where the line between reality and speculation blurs. Section 5. Eyes in the Sky. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the desert floor, I couldn't shake the feeling that I was being watched. A flicker of movement in the sky caught my eye. High above, a dark shape soared silently across the horizon, its outline barely discernible against the fading light. Was it a bird, a plane, or something else entirely? Section 6. Echoes of the Unknown. The experience left me with more questions than answers. What secrets does Area 51 truly hold? What is the government hiding behind its heavily guarded fences? The desert wind whispers its tales, but the truth remains elusive. One thing is certain, Area 51 continues to be a source of endless fascination and endless speculation. Section 7. Uncover your own truth. In a world filled with endless information and countless stories, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But sometimes the most profound discoveries come from within, from our own curiosity and desire to seek the truth. The mysteries of Area 51 call to the adventurer in all of us. This enigmatic location, shrouded in secrecy and speculation, has been the subject of countless theories and tales. From alleged UFO sightings to secret government experiments, Area 51 has captured the imagination of many. If you're intrigued by the unknown, if the idea of uncovering hidden truths excites you, then this journey is for you. Imagine standing on the edge of the desert, binoculars in hand, scanning the horizon for any sign of the extraordinary. The thrill of the unknown beckons. If you yearn to explore the edges of what we think we know, to push the boundaries of conventional wisdom, then a journey to this enigmatic place might be in your future. The rugged terrain and expansive desert offer a sense of freedom and possibility, a chance to step away from the ordinary and into the extraordinary. Then a journey to this enigmatic place might be in your future. Picture yourself as a lone traveler, backpack on your shoulders, walking towards the distant mountains. The vast and empty desert stretches out before you, a canvas for your own adventure. Every step you take brings you closer to the secrets that lie hidden beneath the surface. Don't just take my word for it, though. The journey to uncover your own truth is a personal one, and it starts with a single step. Equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge, and set out on your own path. Speak to those who have ventured before you, learn from their experiences, and chart your own course. Start your own exploration by checking out the travel products linked in the video description below. These resources have been carefully selected to help you on your journey, providing you with the gear and information you need to make the most of your adventure. From maps and guides to essential travel gear, everything you need is just a click away. Who knows what secrets you might uncover? The desert holds many mysteries, waiting for those brave enough to seek them out. As you embark on this journey, keep your eyes open and your mind curious. The truth is out there, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look. So what are you waiting for? Uncover your own truth and let the adventure begin.